Hi, I'm Duncan Gillingwater and this is WorksIQ CRM. If you spend most of your day on the phone making cold calls or following up leads, then chances are you probably send a large number of emails every day too. Which means you've got to jump out of your spreadsheet and go into Outlook or Gmail, and you probably end up getting distracted by other emails that have come in. So it ends up being time consuming and you lose your rhythm of making those calls. So many people start sending emails at the end of the day. The problem is that by then your prospect has probably had a dozen other cold calls and completely forgotten who you are. So there's a good chance your email will never get opened. So that's why in WorksIQ we've added the ability to send emails direct from the system. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go into contacts and create a new contact. Okay, so I've just entered some details. I'm going to save that. And then down here I'm going to click create email. Now you'll see we've got a drop down here for templates. You can edit this generic email template and I'll show you that in a minute, and you can add your own email templates as well. And if you're a telemarketing agency, then you can have different email templates for different clients. Similarly with the mailbox, by default we have a default mailbox that you can use, but you can also add in your own mailboxes. So in my system I'd probably have one which is sales@worksiq.com and also one which is duncangillingwater@worksiq.com, so I can choose where I send my emails from. The from address here gets pulled in automatically from your login address, so the email address that you normally log into the system with. The to address comes from the contact record, so that's pulled in from this contact record here, and also you'll see in the template that we pull in the contact's name, Mike, down here. And again we can change all this, and I'll show you that in a second. But for now let's just send a test email. So this is a test. Let's send that. And you'll see the system keeps a copy of the email, so you can just click on that little email icon and there's a copy of the email. And while I've been talking you'll see that Gmail's updated and you can see that my email has come in. Great. Okay, so let's just look at that create email again, and this time I want to change this standard email template that we use. So I'm going to go into admin, templates, and the template, we send emails from all over the place in the system, so the ones we're looking for will be under contact and the history section. So I'm going to go into details for history contact email, and you'll see there's one template there which is the generic email. So I'm going to edit that and let's take a look. So first of all let's just make this a bit bigger so you can read it. Let's get rid of this, don't know what that is, and I'll never say dear, I usually say hi. And you'll see that we've got these squiggly brackets here, so this means it's a database field. So this is going to pull in the contact's first name, and I can add my own by clicking on this little icon here with the squiggly brackets and say I want the contact's last name. So that would say hi Mike Saunders. Down here we've got a user signature block. We use this so that lots of different users can use the same email template. So in here we put in the bits that are specific to that user. and then down underneath here we might put the common bits, which are the web address, etc. Alright, so I'm going to save that, and that user signature block you can find under settings, user settings. I'm going to edit that. Just type in kind regards Duncan Gillingwater and save that. Okay, now when I make a change to these user settings, I just need to log off and log back in again just to pick up those changes. Okay, so let's send an email again. I go into contacts, go into Mike's contact record, create email, and this time you'll see that the template has changed and it's pulled in hi Mike Saunders, and it's pulled in my signature block as well, and I can just send that. Great. If I want to add a custom template, then I can just go into admin, templates. Again, I want to do the history contact email, and this time I'll do create new, give it a description. So this is an offer of a demo, so I'm just going to pull one in from another system. So you can edit this in HTML format if you prefer, which just makes it easy for copying and pasting another template. Subject line, okay, and I'll save that. Okay, so this is a standard email I might send out for offering a live demo of the system. So let's click on contacts, Mike, create email, and this time you'll see that here's my new template that I created. And you can see it's pulled in that template. So there's my email. I hope you found this demo useful. If you have any questions, then please email support@worksiq.com.